HTML radio. So HTML radio simply means selecting one single thing in a drop down list. You can click or you can select one out of the list. Okay, let's do something on that. So to do that, you will use inputs. There are many ways to do it, but let's use input form, inputs method. So the type is radio. Radio. If you refresh, you think you see something like radio. Okay, see that. You can click that. You can click that. So this is what radio simply means. You can select. You can unselect. Okay. So let's go ahead and give it an ID. ID. Or should I give it ID? Or should I? Okay. Uh, let me use this name because I'll create more than one thing to be selected from. So let me give it a name. Let me say name. Let me say name. Genders. Okay, not genders. Let me use category. It's supposed to be inside quotes. And that's supposed to be equal sign here. Okay. Now let's say category. Uh, categories. Categories. I think the spelling is correct. Then this is the name. Then we'll now give it let's say value. Let's give the value. Let's say woman. Then let's give it an ID of, let's say woman again. ID woman. Okay. So this is for the first video. So let's duplicate this. Let's duplicate these inputs and change some things inside. Just press shift at down arrow key. We want woman, man, boy, girl, and a child, which is 5. Okay. The second one now we do. You can see the radio how it's being listed here. Okay. So let's do. Let's change in the second one. Let's change this to man. Value man, ID man. Okay. So the third one, let's do here. Say boy. Okay. Inside the ID, let's say boy. Okay. Then inside this one, let's say girl. Girl. Then here, let's say child. Yeah, child. Uh, child. Okay. Now that we have created this, okay, we create a button. Creating a button and then giving it. Okay, let's create a button before we creating your explaining button. So instead of button, supposed to give it a value type, a button kind of a type, supposed to be type. Give this, I like giving this button. This is a button, and after giving the button, then we now use, or we can say we can create the name of the function that we will use to get or to alert what is being selected. Let's use let me say okay, let me use the word get value. or get value, okay, okay, and it's supposed to be inside quotes, my bad, so inside quotes, okay, this get value is, oh, I think I'm not gonna getting this thing right. It's supposed to be on creek because this is an event. To be listening for a creek. Inside the creek, we will now have our let's say call it get value. We give it a parameter. Okay. This is the name of the function that we'll be using. Okay. Is the button still needing anything now? I think we have to name the button get value. So use the name we used in the function. So make the name same thing as the name of the button that will be visible. Let's say get value as well. Get value, so it will show on the screen. Okay, now we are done with this one. Okay, so we'll now create our script. Not some script. Okay, let me bring this thing down. Now inside our script, we like the name that function. We have to let me use allo function. Let me give this the get value. Get equals to parameter equal to open the curly braces for receiving of statements. Okay, so let's create a variable. Say var, or should I use const self? Either way, let's use var. Let's say radio. Let me use capital letter var radio. Let me say rad. Let me use rad for radio. This is a variable. You can use any variable name you want. Var rad equals to document. Let's use small letter. Document dot get element by name. This name here, this category, get element by name. Okay, and the name should be put the parameter. Inside this parameter, we now input categories. Control C. Okay, Control V. Categories. That's the name of our. That's the name of the name that I get in the category, which we use in the inputs. Okay, now put colon, semicolon, not colon, semicolon, enter. Then the next one we'll create another variable. This one, because we'll use loop in this, expansion. So let's get the length of the length supposed to be 5, but as indices, in as much as indices is okay, don't worry, let's be doing it, not no much talking. Let's say let me say reg var reg okay, let's say number of num, let me use underscore num, which is number of reg, which is number of this radio, is equal to uh reg dot length. That's what we'll be using, dot length. So it will get the length which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is the length is 5. So we have assigned the length, this category length to this one, to this number of red. Okay, so let's put our semicolon, enter. Okay, we will not get anything yet. We will not get anything yet. This is just a dumb display until the functionality is complete. Okay, so the next thing we are going to do, we are going to use a for loop here. To use a for loop, use a small letter. Just use the for loop. The condition inside the for loop we say var. Seems like we are writing JavaScript, but don't worry, you understand it. We say var I equals to 0. This is for loop. This is for looping because we want to loop through the names, which is the length. We need to loop through the names. Okay, so var name semicolon var I equals to 0, then I less than what we write here, the length number of radio. So that's what we're going to use. Be mindful of the block letter because this is a JavaScript. It's sensitive to, it's a case sensitive. So we use norm of class. So we still use the same thing here. Then semicolon. Okay. Then I plus plus I. Then I plus plus. Okay. Then the statement for the for loop. Put this, supposed to be okay from here. Okay, yeah, let me do it so it will have, even if it not has space, still the sentence will still work. Okay, let's apply if statement here. It's supposed to enter inside, say if inside the condition. Let's say rad, which is this for large for radio, which is this large, put a sort of an array, large I, small letter I dot checked, dot checked, yeah, dot checked, okay, dot checked, okay. So inside our if inside our if, the statement we are going to give it is alert. Let it alert it so we can see what is happening. Alert, sorry about that. Okay, alert rad, which is lad dot, okay, not dot, supposed to okay, yeah, not this one, yeah, lad I, okay, dot value, dot value, okay, think we're almost done. Dot value, okay, let's put semicolon here. Okay, think something is wrong here. This is a function. This thing is supposed to be indented. Okay, likewise this one. Okay, let's also see about this one. It's supposed to be indented. Then this one, no. will be indented. Even our lats will be indented. It's not even sensitive to all these things, but we just need to do it. Okay. Okay. This is for on. Then this one for this. Okay. Let's refresh and see what happens. Okay. Okay. Even as such, let's also include something here. So this thing will look a little bit, make a little bit sense. Let's say here, let's put a label here. So can label for woman. Okay. I think it's supposed to show something in the screen. Supposed to show something. Okay, let's say woman. Yeah, woman. Okay. Let me make it to be listed like this, so it will not jump pack in one straight line. Let me put BR here. Say BR, which is for break. Okay. Then this second one, enter. Let me say rebel for man. Yeah, should be man. Inside this brace, still man. Okay. Then here we'll put BR. Okay. Enter label for boy. Label for boy. Then inside our label body we put boy. Okay. Then we're supposed to put a break here. VR for break. Okay. Then this one now. This for girl. Label for girl. Label for girl. Inside this label body we put girl. Okay. BR. Okay, so this, then the next one, this one is label for child. Label for child. Label for child. Then inside this one will be child. That should be child. Okay. Okay. So this get value is supposed to be in the button. So I'll put BR break. So this get value button will come down. So BR. Okay. Let me space it out by adding another BR again. Break this, let it space out. So the radio button can allow you to just select any of them one at a time, just one. You can just click charge value, either one. Okay. So okay, it's supposed to work now. Get value. Why is this thing not working? Why is this showing me error? This thing is supposed to be alerting something. I think I messed up somewhere within the code. Let me find out. Okay, this one is checked. This one is okay. Okay, this one is okay. No error here. No mistake. Okay, about function. Where am I having this issue now? Okay, this I'm not seeing any. Oh yeah. I figured it out. The name of our function, we instead of get value, we just write get here. So we're supposed to replace this. This is the function that we create in the onClick. So we use another another function here. Sorry about that. So if we get value, Okay, now I think it is all set now. It will work perfectly now. So let's assume we select woman and click get value. See, woman. See that? Then click man. Say man. See it. If you click boy to give you boy to alert boy. If you click girl to alert a girl. So you can actually do a lot of things with this radio, this HTML radio. This thing popping out here, you can stop the pop. You can remove the pop-up because it's of just for this video illustration. You can use it. You can actually get the value of this shard and use it to do some dynamic thing within your code or JavaScript or something like that. So you can use it for login details, sign up stuff, select your category. You just select are you a woman, man, boy, girl, child? If you're a man, click man. You can replace this one with next or submit, something like that. So this is for Ladio, this is for HTML Ladio. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.